Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenna, and today our video is going to be the August Purpl Lux unboxing. So, for those of you who don't know, Purpl Lux is a monthly fragrance subscription that is through the discount fragrance website fragrancenet.com, and the subscription is $14.99 a month, or you can do an annual subscription that breaks down to about $9.99 a month, and you receive one travel size fragrance per month. Each fragrance is 8 milliliters, which they say is equivalent to 125 sprays, which is supposed to last about a month. So it's supposed to give you ample time to try out the fragrance, and the website has many different fragrances to choose from: men's, women's, unisex, a lot of the most popular brands, and there are new scents added regularly. So let's jump into this month's box, or bag. This is what the Purpl Lux bag looks like. It's just a purple bubble mailer, and this is what the fragrance looks like when it's sent to you. It comes in a travel canister that you can roll up to spray and roll back down so it doesn't leak during travel, and you can also pop the fragrances out and exchange them for other ones. But each month you will get a new canister. You can get different colors each month. You don't get to pick, but they send different colors occasionally, so if there's a specific color you like, you can use the one you like the most and interchange your fragrance when you travel. So this month I got Yves Saint Laurent YSL's Cinema. Now, I don't know much about this fragrance. I've seen it on a lot of websites, and I actually haven't heard a ton of people talk about it. I believe it is a little bit of an older fragrance. I think it came out in about 2004, 2005, but it's YSL, a very well-known brand. They have a lot of very popular perfumes. But I'll be honest, I haven't been fond of many of them. I do have Black Opium. I like it. I don't love it. I was not a fan of Mon Paris or Mon Paris. Or Libre. I hate it. I hated Libre. It was too musky and hollow and just not my type of scent. So I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about this, but I wanted to give this brand another chance. Maybe I should have gone for something a little more current and modern. I have a feeling this might smell a little dated, but I could be wrong. I loved the bottle. The bottle's really cool looking. I'll pop a picture of it up here on the screen so you can see what drew me in about the bottle. Though I'm not getting the bottle with this, so I don't know why that should be a selling point, but still. I am a movie fanatic, so something called Cinema, I had to know what it smelled like. So let's roll this up, give it a spritz, and see how we feel about it. What I got on first spritz versus when I brought it up to my nose were kind of two different things. My first spritz smelled spicy, a little incensey, a little cinnamony. But when I bring the strip up to my nose, it smells very floral, very chemically, almost a little bit of a suntan lotion note. What I'm smelling in the air is a little more pleasant, a little more interesting. I like the cinnamony feel of what I'm getting in the air. I'm not a big fan of incense, and that's present, but it's not an overpowering incense. It's not a super retro incense, but the strip is way too strong, it's way too chemically, it's too floral, and it's a little headache inducing. It is a little dated smelling, and it smells like even back then it was probably aimed at more mature perfume lovers, more mature women, etc. It's different than a lot of things that I've smelled before. You know, it's a different kind of mature woman retro scent than usual because of that like spiciness to it that it has. So let's check out the notes and see what's creating this fragrance. So the top notes are Almond Blossom, Clementine, and Cyclamen. Cyclamen is a type of flower. I don't know what it specifically smells like, but florals, yes, that makes sense to me. Clementine. I'm not getting any citrus. Maybe the citrus is contributing to the chemically smell, kind of like a cleaner smell. Almond Blossom, again, I don't know what Almond Blossom smells like, because when you say Almond Blossom, you mean the flower, not the actual almond. So, I don't know, I kind of get the sense that there's some almond in here, a little bit of nuttiness. Almond Blossom sounds like it would more be the flowering plant, not the actual almond. And the middle notes are jasmine, peony, and amaryllis. Amaryllis is another type of flower. So again, we've got 3 more floral notes, which tracks with how floral this scent is. And the base notes are vanilla, amber, benzoin, and white musk. Vanilla, I guess, is giving it that little bit of creamy warmth to it. White musk, I think, gives it a little bit of that powdery, incensey smell. Amber and benzoin, I don't know. I'm a little thrown as to what's making this scent smell exactly like it does. None of these notes are screaming at me and saying, oh, that's what I'm smelling, you know. Unfortunately, I don't think this scent is going to be for me. I may, for the heck of it, wear it one day and see how it works in my skin, because, you know, every once in a while our skin chemistry can do magic with scents that we're not necessarily a fan of straight out of the bottle. Now, YSL's Cinema goes for about $100, give or take a few dollars depending on the website, for a 3-ounce bottle. Paying $14.99 for an 8 ml to try it out saves you a lot of money rather than blind buying this sucker. So this is why these subscriptions are good. I get to try out a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not wasting money, I'm not wasting counter space, and I get to try stuff and satisfy my curiosity. So I will continue to get fragrances via these kinds of subscriptions, even though sometimes they're a fail. And for me, who can be a little more picky, I would say at least half the time they're a fail. But I still enjoy opening them. I still enjoy trying them. I still enjoy learning from these scents too. I learn things even from the ones I don't like. What notes I do and don't like, what combinations work, what style, type, brands of fragrances lean more to my preferences. So there's still benefit that comes out of a fragrance that I don't end up keeping. And plus, anything that I don't keep, I do resell on my Mercari. I'll leave that information down in the description box. It is jennareidreviews if you want to check it out, if you're interested in buying this fragrance or any of my other stuff. So I do get some of my money back. So that's it. Quick, easy, simple video this time around. Ooh, have you tried this fragrance? Do you like it? Are there other fragrances that are similar that you think might be more up my alley? And if you know what's giving it that cinnamony smell out of those notes, let me know. I want to learn what is causing that scent, because I'm a little confused. So many of these notes are so common, but in this configuration, I'm getting a much different vibe from it, a much different nose smell from it. So if you know what it is that's causing that, let me know. Help me learn, help others learn, because we're all in this together. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Think about leaving a like and a comment, and I hope you subscribe. If not though, I understand. I just appreciate you coming by and checking this video out. Either way, thank you for being here, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye guys.